Good afternoon, class. Yesterday we were discussing about the resources and their types. I have taught you what is the meaning of resource. I told you that anything which has some value is called resource. Okay, this was discussed in previous class. Today we will discuss about the value of resources. Okay, what are the values of the resources? So a resource has a value attached to it which can be of different types. First type of value is legal value, second is aesthetic value, third is ethical or economic value. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about the legal value of a resource. Okay, what is the meaning of legal? Now we are well familiar with the civics. Legal means which is related to law, and when it comes to law we have to think about the government because laws are implemented by the government. So legal value of an article depends on the importance given to it by the गवर्नमेंट. ओके, गवर्नमेंट कितना इम्पोर्टेंस दे रही है, ठीक है, इस बात पे डिपेंड करती है किसी भी आर्टिकल की लीगल वैल्यू. ओके बेटा, फॉर एग्जांपल क्लीन एयर एक्ट पास्ड इन दिल्ली stipulates that all vehicle must have pollution free certificate. Thus this law gives a legal value to air. Okay, in the same way laws are passed for the protection or utilization of other bounties of nature such as river, lakes, forest, wildlife, etc. Okay beta, legal values are clear. Second type of value is aesthetic value. So the natural beauty of our forest, mountain, river, lakes, wildlife, etc. is preserved in order to provide aesthetic value to our natural resources. Okay, the importance attached to the cleaning of mountains or river is a steps in this direction. Okay, if we are taking any step towards the cleaning of river like Ganga project or Narmada water project. Okay, Ganga water project is related to cleanliness of the river, and when we are talking about the cleanliness of the mountains, all these values or steps are aesthetic value. Okay, third is ethical value. So by ethical value is meant the moral values attached to human conduct and behavior concerned with the preservation of natural resources such as national parks and forest resources and not overusing them. Okay, ethical is related to ethics. Ethics is related to somewhat moral behavior. So this practice is performed by the human being. Okay, if we are working well for the welfare of the forest or natural resources, then we are following the ethical values. Okay, and the fourth one is economic value. Any natural material used for production has an economic value. For example, providing electricity, building of roads, developing modern method of agriculture, etc. have economic values as they help in enriching economic life. Okay beta, so I hope all the values of resources are clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, thank you so much.